Hi berries, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make Egyptian body milk. But before that, if you're yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now so you don't get to miss out on any of my upcoming videos. So let's get started. So to make this Egyptian body milk, you'll be needing emulsifying wax, you'll be needing beeswax, you'll be needing olive oil, you'll be needing honey, you'll be needing bee propolis extract, you'll be needing bee pollen, you'll be needing water, you'll be needing citric acid, you'll be needing royal jelly, you'll be needing lavender oil, you'll be needing preservatives, you'll be needing snow white powder, you'll be needing giga white powder, you'll be needing sepi white powder, and you'll be needing arbutin powder. So firstly, in a clean bowl, you put 1.5 teaspoon of emulsifying wax, you put 3.5 teaspoon of olive oil, and you also put 1.5 teaspoon of beeswax. Then you double boil to melt. So while the oils are melting, in another clean bowl, you put 2 teaspoons of honey, you put 30 drops of bee propolis extract, half teaspoon of bee pollen, half cup of water, of course it should be your distilled water, half cup of Egyptian milk, and half teaspoon of royal jelly. Then just warm it up a little. In another bowl, you put 1 tablespoon of all your whitening powders, that is your snow white powder, your giga white powder, your sepi white powder, and your arbutin powder. Then you mix and dissolve them with water, and make sure they are all water soluble before you dissolve them with water. If they are oil soluble, you dissolve them with oil, okay? Now once the oils are completely melted, you add your water mixture, and when I say your water mixture, I don't mean your whitening powders mixture, okay? Then you stir it properly and add 1 teaspoon of citric acid, and then you stir it again for it to mix properly, okay? You then blend with your hand blender or your hand mixer, and as you blend, you'll notice your lotion getting creamier and thicker. You don't need to blend it too much because it will get 3 times thicker when left overnight. Now you add 4 drops of your lavender oil, and you add your whitening powders mixture, then you blend again. Lastly, you add half teaspoon of your preservatives, then you blend and make sure all the products are properly mixed. You then pour it into your container, and that's our Egyptian body milk. This is all for today, guys. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you found it helpful. If you liked it, give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and also help this channel grow by clicking on the subscribe button below. And when you do, don't forget to click on the bell icon beside it to get notified when next I upload a new video. That way you won't get to miss out on any of my upcoming videos. See you all in my next video. Bye.